Have you ever wondered how people who are blind or visually impaired read and write? It's all thanks to a brilliant invention called Braille. Meet Louis Braille. He was born in France in 1809. At just 3 years old, Louis had an accident in his father's workshop that caused him to lose his sight. But he didn't let that stop him. When he was a teenager, Louis learned about a system of raised dots used by the French army to send secret messages at night. Inspired by this, Louis invented Braille, a code of 6 dots arranged in different patterns to represent letters, numbers, and even music notes. Today, Braille is used all over the world, giving people who are blind the power to read, write, and learn independently. And every year, on January 4th, we celebrate World Braille Day, Louis Braille's birthday. It's a day to raise awareness about the importance of accessible communication for everyone. Thanks to Louis Braille, millions of people have a way to read the world through their fingertips.